Hey guys, my name's Sophie and I'm proud to be supporting the Wildlife Trust Action for Insects campaign. Now the thing is that insects are actually dying out faster than any other creatures that we have here on planet Earth. And once we start to lose them, we then start to see the loss of other things like bats, birds, small mammals and loads of other animals that rely on insects for food. It's pretty bad, but the good news is that we can do something about it, okay? So this month I'm going to be making lots of different bug hotels around my garden to help insects later in the year have a place to overwinter. And you can do it as well. So join me and the Wildlife Trust. Let's do something about it, take action for insects, and let's protect and ensure a future for these amazing but essential creatures. Thanks.